Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a brand spotlight, and today we are going to talk about Face Theory because it definitely caught my eyes with their simple ingredients products. They are described as clean beauty on their website, but actually there is more like a green beauty. So what they are doing, actually they have sustainable packaging and amazing super clean ingredients products. From skincare to they even include perfume. They have some gadgets, and I really like they are cruelty free. They are certified by Leaping Bunny. They have a ton of reviews on their website because they are so amazing, and they are covering a lot of skin issues. So this probably might be very surprising to you because they are also very affordable. So they have products for anti-aging, oil control, anti-redness, uneven tone, blackheads, pigmentation, dehydration, dull skin. And I really like that they group these products for your skin needs, and that's how they created bundles and kits and at the discounted price, even though they are also very affordable, and they ship to many countries. And I really like that they are very accessible on their website too, very easy to choose what you need based on your skin needs. So I have here a few favorites that I'm going to share with you, and I noticed that they kind of introduced some makeup products, and I'm very excited. I'm going to try that in the future. I noticed they have a face primer, so if you try that, please let me know in the comments down below, because I am looking for a new face primer that is plastic free. And I noticed they have one in a metallic tube, which is very exciting for me. Also, they have a mascara and a lip color. I didn't reach for those because I think they are in plastic packaging. I'm looking for plastic free packaging, but they also have face brushes. So yeah, they definitely introduced a lot of new things this year, and they are banging, I would say. So the toner that I'm going to share with you, we have here a toner. This is CeraC Pore Reducing Toner with niacinamide, ceramide complex, vitamin C, and aloe vera, and it has amazing ingredients. Besides, hence the name CeraC Pore Reducing Toner. It's a pore reducing toner. Yeah, I noticed this year I had bigger pores. I tried several toners and they didn't work for me really. It was really hard to close my pores, even though I was cleansing, using cold water and such and stuff like that. And yeah, that's how I but since I started to use this toner, it says it's for all skin types, unscented. I notice really beautiful things kind of happening to my skin. This is also an anti-aging toner, even though it doesn't specify hence the ingredients, because it has ceramide, niacinamide, aloe vera, which is makes this toner very hydrating, and vitamin C, which makes the toner very healing. And yeah, I noticed a lot of things happen with my skin after I started to use this toner. Like I mentioned, it's very lightweight. I really like that it's also removing the dead skins, and it also helps healing. It's more than just a closing pores toner. It's an anti-aging toner. It's reducing redness toner because it's calming with aloe vera, niacinamide, which helps also reduce any sunspots or any sun damage. So yeah, this is such an amazing toner. It also has actic acid, which is making this toner also removing the dead skin cells when you use this. And yeah, you really want to do that because you want to go deep in the skin with the next products that you are using. So this is kind of prepping the skin by removing those dead skin cells to help renew with the new ones, and to kind of minimize fine lines if you have any, and wrinkles and stuff like that. So that's why I love this toner so much. It retails for $18.99. I really like that Face Theory, if you buy two of the same product, they give you already a discount. Plus, when you use my code, you're gonna save some bucks. I'm gonna link my code below. But yeah, definitely check this CeraC Pore Reducing Toner because it's really amazing. The next product I'm gonna mention is Relaxing Night Cream, and this one has M10. It's for combination to dry skin, and because we are fall going to winter, my skin starts to get really on the dry side, and this is a hydrating nighting with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, and it retails for $25.99 on their website, and it has again amazing ingredients. Besides, it's very lightweight. It's gently scented. It has like a really pleasant, lightly planty scent. I don't know, it's very beautiful scented. Nothing to bother you before bedtime. And it has amazing ingredients. It has shea butter to hydrate, sunflower seed oil, apricot kernel oil, olive fruit oil, rice bran oil, aloe vera juice, konjac root extract, argan oil, and amazing other ingredients in it. And it also has lavender oil, geraniol, and limonene. So it kind of that blend of that gives the scent, lavender, limonene, and geraniol. So it's nothing too heavy because it smells like kind of like lavenderish, lemony. Yeah, but it's nothing too heavy or bothering. So it's very lightweight. It absorbs really well into the skin, and I noticed that my skin stays really well hydrated with this moisturizer. Even though it's very lightweight and it gets quickly absorbed into the skin, it works wonders. It also has hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, which plumps, and it also helps with any damage of the skin, like hyperpigmentation, and it's anti-aging, and yeah, it's just really amazing. So I definitely recommend this too. And then we have a scent. We have the FR, which I'm surprised is called Face Theory 01. So this is scent number 1, I guess. They probably gonna introduce more in the future, which are gonna be number 2, 3, 4 probably. But yeah, they introduced this scent, and I must say that this is very unique because it smells a lot like oranges. So if you're an orange kind of scent, especially for holidays, it smells kind of Christmassy to me. This retails for $45.99 on their website, and it has the top are orange, whole leaf, and clary sage, and this makes the scent to be very happy, I will say, very energetic. And then the heart of the scent is whole leaf, cardamom, and geranium. So then we kind of get on the woodsy kind of side of things, because that's what I like. And the base is cedarwood, sandalwood, and patchouli. So those are my 3 favorites actually in a scent. So yeah, you kind of understand something woodsy with a hint of orange. That's how I would write this scent. So okay, I definitely smell the patchouli and the orange right away when I use this perfume, and that's the first, I guess, the first scents that hit you. But the more I wear this throughout the day, I feel like everything kind of sinks in, and it kind of subsides, and it kind of feels more on the woodsy side, like I mentioned. Yeah, I definitely feel like this can work for men too. So it's more like a unisex scent, I will say. But it definitely smells like holidays for me. I don't know, it kind of reminds me of Christmas, those orangey scents, kind of like apple cider and stuff like that. I don't know, it's just the tangerine kind of woodsy smell in it. But yeah, I can't get enough of this. Even though it has orange, I wouldn't go for an orange scented perfume, but this is definitely something different than that. I definitely would say this is more like a daytime kind of perfume, something energetic and happy. And yeah, like I said, I think it's probably best for the cold season, because it's gonna smell better, I think, in that time of the year. Plus in the fall time, when you see all these beautiful leaves falling, and with this beautiful woodsy kind of base, this scent, I guess it's right on the spot. So yeah, these were 3 of my current favorite from Face Theory. Let me know if you guys have any questions about these products. Let me know if you guys have tried their primer, because I have my eyes on it. If you're gonna shop at Face Theory, please use my discount code. I'm gonna put it down in the comments below, so check that out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.